have shit so bad and just couldn't hold it?
What the fuck? Oh, damn. Feels like a ticking time bomb. Is it a fart or shit? I can't tell.
Oh, no! It's coming out! Come on, man! Hold on! No! It's coming out, I tell you!
I know he didn't just fart.
Yo, bro, close your valves! I know he didn't just fart! Oh, man! Oh, fuck you! It's coming! Pull the cord! Oh, fuck! It's coming out!
Just fart.
Pull the cord! Oh, fuck! It's coming out! Come on, man! Hold it! Fuck!
Just fart.
Yo, bro, it's coming out! Come on, man! Hold it! No! It's coming out, I tell you! Stop it! Pull the cord! Oh, fuck! It's coming out, man! Hold it! Oh, no! It's coming out! If you don't stop this bus, I'm sitting right here!
I was on the bus on the verge of something catastrophic.
Like, follow, subscribe.